Assalamu alaikum, friends. It's a well known fact that in this modern era, many of us are actively engaged in creating short videos or reels, often leveraging the power of artificial intelligence or AI to generate compelling content. These AI generated videos are then frequently uploaded to popular social media platforms such as Facebook or YouTube, aiming to reach a wide audience. So, in today's comprehensive video tutorial, I will meticulously demonstrate to you that if you are someone who diligently creates these engaging reels with the assistance of AI and subsequently uploads them to platforms like Facebook or YouTube Shorts, but unfortunately you are not uploading them in the absolutely correct and optimized manner, then you will inevitably face significant challenges. Specifically, you won't be able to earn any substantial income from your YouTube channel or your Facebook page, which is a primary goal for many content creators. Furthermore, your video's organic reach will not expand as desired, meaning it won't be shown to a larger audience, and consequently, you won't garner the much needed views that are crucial for growth and monetization. Therefore, in this detailed video, I will meticulously guide you through the correct and most effective process for properly uploading your AI generated videos to ensure maximum impact and potential earnings. Let's consider a scenario where you are now ready to upload a reel video. The first step is to navigate to the appropriate section. Go down here on your interface and locate the reel option, then proceed to click on it. After successfully clicking on this reel option, you will then be prompted to select a video from your device's gallery or storage. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will simply select any video at random just to clearly illustrate the steps involved. I'll choose this particular video right here. Once your video is selected, the next action is to click on the next button, which will advance you to the subsequent stage of the upload process. After clicking next, the very first and crucial step you need to undertake is to provide your video with a relevant and descriptive title. This title is paramount as it helps viewers understand what your video is about and also aids in search engine optimization. I'll just provide an example title here to show you the format. Suppose you have now entered your chosen title. Following this, when you proceed to add hashtags, it is absolutely essential to make sure that you include highly relevant AI related hashtags. These hashtags are vital for discoverability, helping your video reach the right audience interested in AI content. Again, if you are specifically using AI.